crazy makeup and then eat my chipotle because it's been sitting here for a few minutes now because I was trying to wait for my battery and all. Boring. Oh my god, did you guys? You couldn't have, but that was light. Okay. And it's storming outside, so we're gonna do a makeup mukbang. My sister's room because she got these really cute lights. I don't know if they're distracting. Probably are, but anyways, she got these cute lights and I wanted to film it in here. And it's storming outside, so yeah. Comment down below if you like Moe's, Chipotle, or like Willie's. Anyways. If y'all could, basically, I have this picture which I'm gonna insert right here. This is what I'm trying to copy. It's like with the glitter, teardrops, teardrops. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Basically, I don't have like the cool star glitter. I just have silver circle glitter. So we're gonna use this instead of all that pizzazz. But I might make another video if this does well. Anyways, this is distracting and it's distracting me. It's probably distracting you, so. What the heck? No. Let's take that one. Let's get on with this makeup look. While eating my chipotle and hoping my card doesn't get full or my battery doesn't die. Because I'm not here with backups. So, my friend and I, we're going to the movies, and we wanted Chipotle instead of, you know, like the popcorn and all that kind of junk. So we usually like go to the movies and have Chipotle, but we sneak it in. So like the first time we did it, I had like a whole purse, and I looked like a whole mom with this Michael Kors purse, you know, walking in with 2 bags of Chipotle or 2 boxes of Chipotle burrito bowls. And I was like, yeah, we're not gonna do that this time. Instead, we're gonna have a backpack. So I did a backpack. We got in. And we were eating my Chipotle, but that time I got queso in it, and oh my god, never doing that again because that sucked. Let me stop talking and do this. Is this good lighting? I think it is. I hate bad weather so much, like it scares me to death. Like I used to have, I think I still have, but I'm just saying I don't anymore. A big fear of what am I trying to say? A big fear of what do I have a big fear of? Tornadoes. I really hope this makeup look turns out well because I want it to. So I have this prank video, right? I have it on my phone right now, but because we were out somewhere, so I just filmed it on my phone. But it was basically that like that prank that was going around where you like trick your siblings that they're invisible. So I was gonna do that with my brother, but I remember he watches YouTube, and this YouTuber that we both watch is like Big Drug, and he did it, and I was like, yo, he's like obsessed with him. He's probably gonna watch it, so I can't do it on him. And I told my dad about it. He's like, oh yeah, you should do that. Like, totally, it's a great idea. But then when I was telling my dad about it, I don't know what, I don't think he heard, but like, I was like, oh, I'm gonna take a picture of you. And then he kind of got the idea somehow, I don't know how. And he was like, oh, are you doing the invisible prank? I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? So I was still gonna do it and act like a week later and act like nothing happened. But I was like, you know what, never mind. So we went to this davat, which basically is, do I have to keep explaining this? It's like a party for brown people, basically. And I did it and his friend was there. I was like, okay, let me do it on his friend. So when I was doing it on his friend, like my brother was in on it, I don't know, the reaction was just terrible. I was like, yeah, this kid is smart, let me not do that. I thought I could do it on my brother like a week later and he'd still not get it because, you know, stupid. But no, he's actually pretty smart. Whoa. She put a lot of black beans. Like a bean. Oh my god. But tomorrow I'm hanging out with my friend, my best friend, and we might do a video. Why did I? Let me read. I don't know if that caught. Okay. Do y'all see this? I don't know if you can see this, but I can see this. It's like this little dot right here. And I was wondering, I was doing my makeup, and I was like, this is really personal. I I was doing my makeup and I was like, why the heck do I have a little dot? Like, when I took my makeup off, it was there. And when I had my makeup on, it wasn't. I was like, what the heck is this? So then I remembered we were in India and me and my sister got into a fight and she scratched me. Literally, there was like a scar right here. I'll like post a picture if I have a picture at all. But this little girl gave me a scar and a whole scratch. And I've had that, and then the whole time in India, like the last 2 days, I wore like sunglasses everywhere, and people, I'm not joking, people literally thought I was famous or something, because they're like, oh my god, is that? Oh my god. And you could hear them say that. I'm like, I sound like stupid right now, but I'm not joking. Like, honestly, also, if you want to ever feel famous, go to India, because everyone will stare at you. That's the thing. We were at like it was next to the Taj Mahal. It was like the Agra fort. It was amazing. Like, it was so cool, like one of the ruins and everything. But we're leaving. It's burning hot. I'm like not in a good mood because it's so hot, and I'm wearing this really cute jumpsuit. I had my camera. I had some glasses on because it's sun. And then like as we're like walking out, we're sitting there because you know we're tired. And this family walks in, and the family's just staring at me and my sister. I'm like, what the heck? Is there something on my face? Like, can I help you? I'm like, okay, you know what? Whatever. So I kind of get up and I'm like, you know what? This is annoying. Quit. Like, I don't know what I said. I said something. And then as we're walking out, like, I'm not kidding you, everybody stares and it's so freaking annoying. People don't know how to lower their gaze. Ugh, that's besides the point here. What do you call it? So then, we're walking out and I have my bag on with me. And it's like somebody taps my shoulder and I turn around and it's this little kid with his like phone out. He's like, can I have a selfie? And I'm like, who the heck? Like, it was so funny. And I was like, and I started laughing. I don't know why I started laughing. That's really bad. But I just started laughing. And brothers and sisters, I guess, and they all came swarming in and I'm like, oh my god. So then my dad's like, no, no, no. And then he's like, we just like walk away and get into our chauffeur guy who was waiting on, who wasn't actually waiting. That's a different story. Anyways, that happened and I'm like, well, if you want to feel famous, come to India because we all got this here. Yeah. Anyways, that's my little 5 minutes of fame. Story. What else do I have? Oh, I have another story. So, we're in, where is this? Okay, then the next day we went to, the Taj Mahal because we found out literally that day, okay, so everyone thinks like the Taj Mahal is in New Delhi, but it's not in New Delhi, and I found that out too, and I was like, wait, what? So, we were in New Delhi because my cousins live there, and we took a train from New Delhi to Agra, which is this other city where the Taj Mahal actually is, and it's like an hour from the with the train ride. And I went on a train. It was sketchy as heck. It was cool. It was whatever. But then no one told us that the freaking Taj Mahal is closed on Fridays because it's like a Muslim, like, you know how Muslim, okay. It was closed on Fridays, basically. I don't know. So then my dad's best friend booked us at the hotel, and he was apparently like friends with the manager, so they got us a suite, and it was like real cool. We got the view of the Taj Mahal. It was really great, you know, loved it. There was finally Wi-Fi that works. And we loved it. It was great. And next day we go and we see the Taj Mahal, which is a Saturday, and we go early morning, so it's, you know, it's still cool outside and not crowded or whatever. You walk in and then there's like stand and you can see the Taj Mahal. There's like a river and then the whole Taj Mahal, and then basically we're still here for like a good 20 minutes taking pictures on different angles. It's like the same thing over and over again. I'm here taking some videos for my India video diary, which will be up soon. Don't know when because I still need to film that. I mean, edit that. My brother was taking pictures for my mom and dad, and we had water bottles, so we left them next to the river, just, you know, for a second to take a picture. You go to India, literally every animal that you can think of is on the streets. So there's monkeys in the Taj Mahal area. He turns around to take the picture for my mom and dad, and then I turned around and I literally stopped recording. I wish I kept recording. Oh, it was so funny. But we turn around. I'm like, oh my god, Zad, look at this. And then he's like, what? And he turns around. The freaking monkey comes from like across the river picks up his water bottle and starts drinking out of it. It was the funniest thing ever. And he was, you know, chugging that water bottle like a normal monkey. And my brother was like, what? No. And he went to get the water bottle from the monkey, and the monkey got mad, and you can literally see his face, like he drops the water, the monkey drops the water bottle, starts chasing my brother. It was the funniest thing in the world. Oh, y'all had to be there. The monkey's face will never get in my head, and I can't believe I stopped recording at that moment because it was so funny. This what do I call this color? Brown orange color. It's more brown than orange, but it's a mix. Just my crease. I wonder how long this will take. Like, yo, I'm so pumped. Okay, so the eyeshadow picture I showed you that I'm gonna do is completely different than what I'm doing right now. So we're gonna keep rolling with it. You know what? I feel like my finger is better than this. Oh yes, 100%. Ooh. Oh my god, my battery's dying. No. Also, oh my god, I've been watching Jane the Virgin and it's so good. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I started like a few weeks ago. I'm on season 4 now and I'm addicted and I really need to stop, but yeah. It's so good. You should watch it. Like, honestly, if you want to know what shows to watch, literally comment down below and I'll tell you a list of them, because I have some really good shows and they're really good and you should watch them. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to finish this before my makeup. Now, onto the glitter. Actually, wait. Yes, now onto the glitter. I really hope this doesn't get in my eye, because that would be bad. This looks like concealer, but with... I can't believe my camera has been still going on. Oh my gosh, should I do an updated playlist? Because I have really good music that's not, like, you know, popular. So when they play this song in 13 Reasons Why, I was... Whoa. But that season 3 is going to be really cool, I guess. I don't know, maybe they're kind of like dragging it, but... Because Hannah's story is over, so I really don't know what she's going to do now. Actually, I don't even know if she's going to be in the show, so... It's not crazy. I hope you guys liked this video. It was random and yeah, but it was my mukbang, chipotle mukbang while doing crazy makeup. That's pretty much it for this video. I still haven't finished my chipotle, but I will because it's delicious and we save food. I mean, we don't save food, we eat food. Yeah, basically. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here. And yeah, pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. To love